Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm just gonna kind of show you my gaming setup. So I game in the basement. It's basically how it goes. You come down the steps, and then you get the little room with all the heaters and stuff, and then over here, and boom, it's my place, And then you got the Xbox. You got Destiny. All my games up here. Then you got the big futon, my camera, with everything in the world freaking here. And Nike, this is what I look like. So. And I got my little fan here, and sleeping down here, and then, very well then. And then, my brother's shut up! My brother's recording studio is actually right beside me, so it's really hard to keep him quiet while I'm trying to record videos in there, and he's got everything. That's my drum set, by the way. And then, there's Nikestorm.
You just ruined it, Arrow. Come on.
Yeah.
I think kill the mood.
Alright. And that's it. Subscrizzle. And freaking, I don't know what you want to do, whatever. And bye-bye.